Okay. Yesterday, RTH session. We tested lower and finished higher. And this was scenario 1 for me. Scenario 1 for me was test down to 60, which is this here, MCV POC. Instead, we tested down to 52, which was the stock zone below it. Prior week close, there's 52 there. And MCHVN. A minor HVN. So that was scenario 1. At the open, it was a very slow drift down. Sideways, filled in this LVN, and then just drifted lower and lower and lower until tested the full session mid, drifted through the mid, RTH mid, tested from above, and shot up. So without a pullback, so hard to trade. Okay, so for today, scenario 1. By the way, scenario 2 for me yesterday was get up to 91, prior day high, and it got up to yesterday high is 88.50. Didn't really quite take out the previous day high. We had a test of MCV POC at 82. On the way up, and then 88 is where we finished. 82, 83. Very pronounced HVN or MCV POC at the moment. Okay, so scenario 1 today we open at 90.91, which is right point away from yesterday's high, RTH high. 2 points. So we're opening scenario 1 for me is the continuation of the move to the upside. So a quick test lower. Not much deeper than yesterday close, which is at 84.85. Maybe below that the MCV pocket 84.83, 82.83. This one, and after that, which is not even going to the overnight low. Just going into the previous day's range, testing the stock zone and the close. It's got a big cluster of volume there, so I don't expect it to push all the way through it. It's likely, so it may even go down to overnight low at 80 even. I'll give us an opening swing of around 9 points. 10 points, 11 points. Up to the MCV book at 83, it's 8 points. Opening swing. And then opening range. And then we continue higher. The overnight VPOC is at 96, then the century figure at 700. All-time high RTH session at 901. Overnight high. 708 is Globex high. And then 720 Stoke zone is my expected upside. So that's scenario 1 for me today. Scenario 2 is open, test to the century figure, and continue our journey lower to the LVN at 77. Now the LVN at 72. And if we have the oomph, go down to the 60 MCV POC. That's scenario 2. Scenario 3, although we have the FOMC today, so it may be quite dead until the FOMC announcement, then we can have the moves. Scenario 3 is we just drop off. We're in the LVN now, of the overnight. So scenario 3 is just down. LVN 77, LVN 72, 60. And somewhere near 52 HVN prior week close, where we started yesterday, the move up. That's scenario 3. And as that